They say it doesn't matter which platform you use for trading. Wrong. Those strategies are important, but using the right platform can make a huge difference in your game. I'm using Binance for last 3 years and it's a platform that I love to use. So today I will be sharing my experience with you guys. We will talk about all the pros, cons, fees and much more. So let's go. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you want to try Binance, you can sign up from the first link in the description, as you will be able to save up to 10% discount on your trading fees. First of all, let's talk about the pros of using Binance. The biggest pro of using Binance is its lowest fees. Binance has the lowest fees as compared to other platforms like Coinbase, Gemini. Binance charges 0.1% maker and 0.1% taker fees, and if you have more trading volume, it will decrease it down further. As you can see, there are different tiers, and as you go up in volume, the fees keeps on decreasing. Whereas Coinbase charges 0.5% of fees and Kraken charges 0.9%. And most of the time they have a promotion where if you use BUSD, which is their stable coin of US dollars, then there is no maker fees. Same goes with the bank account fees. They charges 3.5% to a max of 10 US dollars. Or what you can do is use their P2P service. With that you can deposit or sell. It's quite secure and there is no fee on that, though you will pay a bit higher price in conversion, but that's fine. I've used it a couple of times and it's a good option. Coin listing and pairs. Second pro of using Binance is that it has tons of coins. As of now, it has 355 coins listed, and there are a lot of coin pairs as well. Future and other trading options. You can do all sorts of trading like spot trading, futures, margin, etc. You can also borrow money and trade with that. This is what I do to make even more gains, but I only do this for short-term trades. Plus they recently added the NFTs, so you can buy and sell NFTs directly from the platform. The app itself is quite intuitive and it is available on all the platforms like Android, iOS, Windows, Mac and Linux. It might take you a couple of minutes to figure out the app. By default, the app is in light mode, and if you want to have all the controls, then you can go to the settings and turn on the pro mode. And if you want me to make a separate tutorial video, please do let me know in the comments below where I can show you how to trade and all that stuff. So please do leave that down below. And also you can leave a like if you're enjoying it so far. Last but not least, they also have pool support. So if you are into mining, then you can definitely do that. And all of your mined coins will be deposited in your Binance wallet. There is no minimum balance and the mined amount will be transferred at the end of the day. But if you are into mining, then I would suggest you to mine in your non-KYC wallet. Let's talk about the cons. Now there are not much of a cons to the platform. First, the platform is not available in some parts of the world. You can find that on their website, but it's mostly available everywhere. The second con is that sometimes Binance takes time to approve new accounts. It could be 3 to 4 hours or it could be up to 10 days. So it varies. Other than that, it's a good platform for trading crypto and it's quite secure. I haven't found a scenario where I have to contact the support, and in case you want to do that, then you can do with email. That was my experience with Binance. Again, if you want a discount on your trading fees, you can head to the first link in the description below. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe, bye bye.